Alright, this one, basically all I'm making is dinner. I made some, I was going to make macaroni salad, pasta salad, and, in a lot of my videos, I call pasta macaronis, and I've done that my whole life. I don't know why, it's just a habit. Macaronis are actually elbows, but I call everything macaronis. And a lot of people do call pasta salad macaroni salad. But anyway, I generally don't care for it. I generally don't like it too much, but I was just in the mood for it because they had some real nice ham steaks on sale at the supermarket, and pasta salad or macaroni salad goes pretty good with it. And I'm not going to put anything on it. You could put, a lot of people put mustard and pineapple and all sorts of things. I'm just going to make it plain. So pasta salad is another one of those things that people just go crazy with. You could put virtually anything in it. I like mine fairly plain. So today, all I'm going to use is some black olives, some green olives, and I fried some bacon earlier. I'm going to use some bacon, and that's probably it. Maybe a little cheese, maybe some cheddar cheese, mayo. I'm not sure. I'll just kind of see how I go as it goes along. So there's some black olives. I whiz them around. I want to chop them, not puree them. And some green olives. This little food processor I have here, I bought. It's made by KitchenAid. It's really good. If you need a small food processor just to leave out on the counter or whatever, this one's the best one I ever had, and I've gone through like probably 6, 8, 10 of them. This one here is really good. And that's good. A lot of people put tuna. They put just all sorts of stuff. Pickles, sweet pickle relish, just all kinds of things. I prefer mine a little bit more just kind of regular, not too over the top, more plain. Actually, I'm going to try something I've never done before. I'm going to try to food processor the bacon. I've never done bacon in a food processor. Let's see what it does. I'll definitely do that again. That worked really well. A scallion and a couple of carrots. Carrot salad I like a lot. One of these times, maybe I'll do a video on carrot salad. It's easy and it's good. Probably should put this in a bigger bowl. And like I said, you could add anything. I like I don't know if I've already said it, but I like adding anchovies. But the problem is you get a big batch of pasta salad, macaroni salad like this, and you add anchovies to it, you're going to plan on eating the whole thing yourself because nobody else is going to eat it. All right, that's that. There is some macaroni salad. It's good. Tastes like macaroni salad. Let me see how the ham is doing. All right, that nice piece of ham is done. A lot of people put brown sugar and all kinds of things on these. This one, and I do too sometimes, or honey sometimes. But this one I'm just going to have just plain. Let me cut a piece. All right, a little bit of this macaroni salad. All right, there we go. I know this ain't the nicest looking dish, but it'll taste good, I'm sure. Let's find out. Ham is excellent. Doesn't need anything. That's a really good combo. That's a perfectly good dinner. And cheap. I'm going to go eat.